Hi everyone. Today we are going to start our new topic, liqueurs. Before you come to know what is liqueur, you have to know classification of alcoholic beverages, which is classified into three: fermented, distilled, and compound. And the liqueurs which comes under compound is a mixed beverage. That means spirit which is mixed with sweetening and flavor. That is called liqueur. I will come to the detailed definition. Before that, you have to know what is the difference between liquor and liqueur. I will show you this whiskey, brandy, rum, gin, vodka, tequila, rum, anything which comes under liquor. Liquor means the spirit which is made out of any kind of ingredient. It can be maize, corn, rye, barley, anything. The spirit you got that is been aged in a oak wood barrel, maybe for 1 2 it goes. Finest brandy, the cognac is aged for minimum 50 to 75 years old. So that is called liquor. Liqueur means the spirit what you get that is sweetened and flavored, that is called liqueur. So let's go to the detailed definition. Let's see, the topic is liqueur. Liqueurs are sweetened and flavored spirit, and which has a medium to high percentage of alcohol, and is a digestive drink at the end of the meal. And what is common in liqueur is spirit, which can be whiskey, brandy, gin, vodka, rum, anything, and which is sweetening, either is with honey or sugar, and is consumed. I told you it's a digestive drink and is served with crushed ice. Moving on to the history of liqueurs. History. The liqueur, the name which comes from a Latin word liquefacer, that means melt or dissolve. That's how most of the liqueurs are made. Next point is, liqueurs were first started producing in the monasteries of Europe for medicinal purposes. Next point is, the religious order of Europe is helped to develop the distillate, and they made spirits, and they add herbs and berries. They grew near to their monasteries. Next point, the medicinal preparation of herbs were extracted and it was steeping with alcohol. That means the herbs which is extracted and it was mixing with the spirit. Please have a look at. Next point, in 1450s, they applied this liquor on wounds to get it cured, and they drank a small quantity to cure cold and fever. Next point, some of the liqueurs they made it sweeter, because to drink the dry one, most of the people didn't prefer it. So they make it sweeter, and they use, and they start consuming it to protect against the infection and the plague. The first recorded liqueur, it was Kummel, which is invented by Lucas Bols in 1575, and Kummel, the base spirit is vodka, and which is flavored with caraway seed. But the first liqueur in the world is Benedictine, and which is founded in 1510, and the base spirit is brandy and flavored with herbs. Now let's see the history once again.